This is attorney personalities and how they affect your relationships. The DISC styles give you guidance in understanding your personality and those around you. Each letter in DISC stands for a different type of personality. The D in DISC stands for the dominant personality. The Ds tend to be decisive and direct. They prefer to be leaders. They exude self-confidence. There may be a lot of D personality trial attorneys who are heads of law firms. They want to be in control of a situation. They enjoy challenges and achieving results. The D personalities can be argumentative. Have you ever met an attorney who's not? Sometimes they do not want to listen to others who want to provide their reasoning, and they may ignore the details of a situation even when they're important. This can be a problem for an attorney, and this is where you come in as you help the attorney focus on the details. You'll find a D personality likes taking risks and being in charge. They're big picture thinkers. The I personalities are the influentials. They're impulsive, enthusiastic, talkative, persuasive, and emotional. They love to be around others and to be the center of attention. They love to solve problems, to motivate others, and light, happy environments where they can avoid conflict and arguments. The I person is likely to not be detail-oriented and needs someone else to take charge of the details while they have fun and they gain acceptance and approval. When I think of the I attorneys that I've worked with, I can think of only one. He loved the social aspect of practicing law and he loved to be creative, but he got bogged down with details. I don't think you'll find many I personalities among trial attorneys. Although there are outgoing, personable trial attorneys, they must be good at handling arguments and dealing with the constant adversarial nature of law. The majority of LNCs and trial attorneys are C personalities. Listen to this description of the C personality and see if you agree. Conscientious, careful, accurate, detail-oriented, analytical, and systematic. The C personality uses plenty of research and information to back up decisions. The C person has very high standards for themselves and others. Can you envision the C personality evaluating compliance with the standard of care? The C personality will follow through and complete assignments with a thoroughness that other personalities respect. As one of my clients said to me one day, "Pat, if I had your ability to focus, I would rule the world." The C person on a team will help ground them in reality by keeping the group realistic. Can you hear the plaintiff attorney saying, "This case is a slam dunk"? And the LNC says, "There are several hurdles you have to overcome before you can say that." There are many trial attorneys who are C personalities. They come to depositions loaded with questions. They enjoy tracking down details, researching cases, and writing briefs. And the last is the S personality. This may describe you as an LNC. I know I have a blend of both C and S characteristics. Like the C personality, the S personality is steady and even-tempered. They're friendly, they listen well, they're understanding. They're close to their loved ones and prefer close and personal relationships. S personalities are good at multitasking. We excel at multitasking as nurses, and they see tasks through to completion. They work well on teams, and they like to resolve conflicts as soon as they develop. I created another video that applies this system to how it affects how you interact with each type of personality. Look for the video called How to Connect with Your Attorney Clients. And be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you won't miss any of my video tips for legal nurse consultants. Just click on the little arrow in the corner of the screen. And come visit me at legalnursebusiness.com.